Assemble the Meniscal root aimer to the handle. Insert the drill sleeve to complete the aimer setup. Assess the lesion with a probe. Position the aimer tip on the tibia and adjust aimer for the optimal angle. Drill forward to the tibial plateau. Disengage the lock and remove the aimer guide. Maintain the drill sleeve by tapping to the bone. Flip the reamer tip and decorticate the bone of the root attachment area. Advance the reamer back and straighten the tip. Remove the reamer from the joint. Place the number 0 loop suture on the shaft of meniscus suture passer. Load the free suture end to the suture passer. Pass a second cinch stitch if needed. Introduce suture lasso through the drill sleeve. Load the sutures into the nitinol loop. Pull the nitinol loop to pass the suture. Remove the drill sleeve by tapping with mallet. Use threaded punch to prepare for extra lock fixation. Load the sutures into the tip of extra lock anchor. Rotate the extra lock while holding the handle to secure the anchor. Unwind the suture and remove the handle. Insert free suture end to the suture cutter. Cut both sutures to complete the repair.